Hi, my name is Elizabeth. Welcome to my channel. This week I took some steps towards being self-sufficient. I planted garlic, enough I hope for next year plus planting for the following year. I got a start on the leak of the back wall of the garage. I had to do some repointing of the bricks. So first I had to dig down the back, and then I repointed some of the loose bricks along the side. I ran out of mortar, but I did get a start on it. And finally, I harvested some herbs and dried them and got them jarred up, hopefully enough that will last me at least until I can harvest what I'm growing inside. My plan was to plant about 50 cloves of garlic, hoping that that would be enough for eating and planting next year. I think I ended up with about 45, so we'll see next year how accurate my estimates were. This is the leak in the back of the garage wall. And you can see the dirt on the floor. That's the mud coming through. It's 4 bricks in, and then the second leak is 6 bricks in. And the wall itself is 6 high. So that gives me an idea of where I'm going to have to start digging outside. So let's go and take a look outside. So here's outside, 5 high. So 1 is partially underground. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 and 6. So somewhere along where this looks like there's damage actually to the brick. So that looks like where I'm digging. I don't think I'm going to dig out more than 1 foot. So I think I'll get my shovel and get to it. It's raining today. This is the 4th day in a row that we've had rain. I really hope this is the end of it. It's supposed to be sunny tomorrow, so I'm kind of going to hold the world to that because I've had about as much as I can take of being indoors. As you can see, the leaves are really pretty. I'd like to do some photography because I'm pretty well surrounded by trees. There's a whole bunch over there. And then at the back of my property, there's one tree in particular that's just gorgeous. Anyway, I decided to come outside and harvest some of my herbs. I've got some parsley. I've dead dill. I haven't done anything with that yet. And some basil. So I thought I would harvest that and dry it. So it was a really productive week. I'm hoping I have enough garlic to last a year and plant next year. The parsley I hope to last a fair amount of time, at least until I can harvest. And I'm only a few jobs away from renting out at least one space in the garage. So I'm really pleased with how things are going. Anything that can reduce my expenses or increase my income is a good thing. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. I'll see you next week. Bye.